Hi guys, this is Mr. Wordy, and today we're going to be looking at this Halloween Animatronic Doorbell Skull. Got this at Halloween Express this year, and here's his box. There's the name they have for him. He actually has a pamphlet. So it's one-sided. But there's his pamphlet. So let's get into what he does. Oh, let's not turn him on. He was released this year. It says Marvel Power. There we go. I'm actually going to have one where his eyes are kind of open because his eyes seem to close too fast.
Hands off!
I don't know why his eyes close so soon, but I do think it's interesting. I do think that it's interesting that his eyes light up through it. So, yeah, there we go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and have a great day.